Hello guys, this is Game Rage here, and today I'm going to be showing you and starting to build a mod pack. And this is going to be episode 1 of the series, because we're going to build a mod pack over a few episodes, but we're going to show you the basics of how to do it, and then you can go on yourself and do it by yourself. You know, you can create it, but if you want to watch and continue as we build this mod pack together, that would be great. Hit the like and subscribe if you liked the video, and let's go on. Okay, what you're going to do is go to your internet. All these links will be in the description for you, by the way. But you're going to go to minecraftforge.net and select what version of my mods like you would like. Now, I'm going to create a 1.10.2 mod pack. So you want to click what version, 1.10.2, and then there's the latest or the recommended. Now, certain mods require a later version than the recommended, but the recommended is 100% safe. The latest might not always be it, but let's say like a 1.5, which is a long time ago. Now, after a while, ooh, that's really weird, but typically the recommended and the latest will be the same, because eventually the latest will become a recommended after all they got the big bugs fixed out of it. Well, okay, we're gonna select 1.10.2. Here's all the different ones. That's the recommended, and that right there is the latest. But you can click installer, change all universal, and okay, we're gonna click Windows installer. Now, you will have to probably click installer if you are not Windows, like Linux or anything else. But once you click it, it will take you to this, similar to AdFly. But this is how they make money. You wait over here, click skip. Once you click skip, it automatically goes down here to download. Once it's done and finish, oh man, does that scanning thing? And what I typically do is take it, drag it over here, and bam. Then what you're gonna want to do is run it. You have to run Minecraft vanilla first, so like version 1.10.2, you have to run it first in vanilla. X out of it, and then you have to run Forge. The reason why you have to do that first is because otherwise this thing will fail and, you know, cause a couple. Now, if you wanted a 1.10.2 modded server, this is how you would get the modded server right here. But we're gonna install client because we are wanting to create a mod pack for us. Now, all you have to do to create a server, a mod pack server, download the server, copy the configs, the mods, and like all the necessary game components for within your mod pack that the server does not have. You drag that over, voila, you created a server. Now there's other steps they have to for other people to join, but we're gonna use this quick install client. Let it download all the libraries. It's taking a little bit of while. I'm gonna cut here, and I'll be back when it's done. Okay, once it's fully and successfully installed client for profile Forge, and grabbed everything, then click OK. Then what I typically do is run up Minecraft again. My computer's being slow. Oh, now it's really slow. Ooh, now it's bothering me. Come on, load up. I'm not a very patient person. But okay, once it loads up, typically whatever, we want to click here, this button, and see how 1.10.2 dash forge. That's the forge. Once you select that, you want to play it. The reason why I have it play is it downloads everything first that you're missing still, and it will check to see, because you want to see if Forge is erroring. Because sometimes when you add mods in and then you run it then and it fails, it might not do with your mods, it might be just Forge. And since the latest version isn't always, 100% works, I'm gonna let this go. Okay, once it runs through, it pops up the Forge thing, hopefully it should, with the bars, and it ran really fast, faster than I could click the record button. And then it should say 4 mods loaded, 4 mods active. You can even click the mods, Minecraft Coder, Mod Forge, Minecraft Forge, and the Mircos Updater. Voila. So you can quit game there. So you know Forge works. And heck, you can even create a world just to make sure. Okay, then you want to go back to your internet. We don't need that anymore. Now, I would go to Curse. You can go to mc-mods.com, I think. Or is it modlist? I don't know. But we'll go back to there. Now, if you want the famous NEI, well, you gotta go here. So, what I recommend getting is, if it's possible, get them all. Except for lib. If you get core, you do not need lib. Or no, you need lib still. I don't know. We're gonna get it all. I'm going to go with the latest. I never go with recommended unless I have to. But we're gonna click. Once you click the universal, it takes you to this add fly, which is similar to the Minecraft, not that, but Forge did. Same thing, just add fly over here. You just click please, it says please wait, and then it counts down in seconds. Once it's done, you click skip ad. Then it brings you to its main page, which it should automatically start downloading. And if it doesn't, you can click right here, and start downloading. Okay. And then what you recommend doing is going back to here from where AdFly was. Click the back arrow, and voila, you're back in. It will be purple if you already downloaded it. Oh, you might want to keep. It only says this because it's a jar file, and that means it's an executed jar file, meaning it's going to run a program inside Minecraft, though. So it will change up your files in Minecraft only for that instance of modded, though. That's why it says it may harm your computer, because it doesn't know that it's going to harm your computer, or just harm or change the files in Minecraft. It does not know that. It just reads it as a jar file. So that's why it says that. Go ahead and keep. Now I'm going to go ahead and go through each individual one and do it. And I'll be back after I got done downloading all of these. But once you got them downloaded, oh crap, don't open it. I messed up. It's fine if you do. I'm pretty sure it won't do anything. But you want to take it, drag it. I'm going to drag it to my desktop. Once I got all of these right here, I'll be right back. Oh, hey, we're back. I don't have all of them downloaded. I just wanted to let you know. I forgot to get it. I had it on my other computer. Forgot to get it on this one. But what makes up the downloading all these ads a lot better, like not ads, downloading all these mods, and sometimes there's pop-ups and it gets really annoying sometimes, not all the time, but this will be blank, is to get this. It's a Google Chrome extension. I think there is a version for Windows, like where you can have it on all of your computer, like on any browser and things. But if you use Google Chrome, you can get the extension. Go here, more tools and extensions, and then it's called AdGuard Ad Blocker. Okay, here I'll go to never mind. Here, let me go to get more extensions, and I'll show you what the thing looks like first. It makes this thing a lot easier, so when you still have to wait 5 seconds to quick skip ad, but it blocks all the ads. See, one ad would have been popped up apparently. but we'll type in ad blocker. Let it load up. Keep. Oh, whoops, I have two. Oh well. And then it's going to be this ad guard top rated. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna rate it 5 out of. What? Can I? I'm not creating a profile. But what you can do is click on it, and then you can pause the ad guard, and so where it's disabled temporarily, or you can block ads, like have a setting where you can block ads on this website only, or you can turn it off on this website. And there's a few more settings you want to go. Total, it has it all blocked is 20. Right now it's blocked 0, like in this page. So for an example, we go back and we were to, okay, go to the next one, which is Forge Multipart for me. And if you notice, it automatically like basically went to 7. Oh, now it's at 11 of how many ads like would have. Sometimes it's easy. This one would pop up, and then probably one more after that. But sometimes, or it's more often than you think, you have a whole bunch of pop-ups. And when you click skip ads, sometimes it takes you to a different one, which is bad. This makes it a lot easier to download things, especially when you go to Curse and they have AdFly and things like that. I recommend getting this. Okay. Well, where am I at? I have Forge Multipart. Leave. I'll just be back once I got these last 3 done downloaded. And once you have all of these downloaded, I recommend just getting them all. It makes it a lot easier because some of these are core mods. But we're gonna create a new folder. We're gonna name this mods. Drop all of these in here. We're gonna go. Oh, okay. I should move my thing down here. It's 2 o'clock in the morning when I'm recording this. Oh, we go down here and we go to .minecraft, and then you. Oh no, you don't want to do .minecraft. My bad. You're gonna type in %app data exactly like that. No capital, nothing. And click enter. Because it's a hidden folder, you have to type it, which makes it go to the app data, to the roaming file, and then you want to open up this .minecraft folder. Okay. Once you open and upload that, I'm gonna open. You're gonna go here, the mods folder that we just created with when we dragged all the mods in. Move to the .minecraft folder. That, or you can right click in here, new folder, voila. Now, if you've already ran mods before, then you should know how to do this. But you run the mod, like put all the mods in here. Now, we can't run NEI just yet because it's still 1.10.2 and NEI probably hasn't caught up or anything, or I don't know what they're doing. We're still going to need JEI integrations because JEI is a core mod needed for NEI to work. Now, you used to be able just to have NEI or like 1.7, but I think newer versions you need to have this. But you just type in JEI, go to Curse Forge Minecraft. This link will be in the description. All of the links will be in the description, I should say. You click Files right here. And then, 3 hours ago, as I'm recording this. But it's only an alpha stage. Should I do it? Should we do it, guys? Should we do it? The last release was for 1.10.2. Oh, this is for 1.12. Oh, okay. That's why it's 3 hours. Well, the last 1.10.2 was this one, and it was only in beta. Looks good. Let's download it. 1.10.2. The latest one there. Connecting, establishing. Okay, there it goes. And keep it. Wait until it finishes circling around. Okay, now it's done. Take it, drag it, and I'm just directly dragging it to the mods folder. As you can see, there's JEI. And I believe that's it. Relation dependencies. Nope. Okay, so this thing right here, click dependencies. This is like core mods it needs to run. So if you wanted to run this, you need to get all these mods here. Now dependents are like, let's say this was a core mod and what it can run, or let's say NEI. If you wanted to run NEI, its dependency is JEI. But JEI's dependents should be NEI, if I believe it or not. There's a few other ones that require JEI. Whole bunch, actually. Did not know any of this. Whole 150 pages. Wow. Okay. But once you downloaded it, I'm gonna minimize. Okay, I'm gonna check the. Okay, we have all the mods, I think. I'm gonna keep this mods folder open since it shouldn't affect with anything. Gonna run Minecraft. When you're installing a mod pack, this will take a while if it is a heavy kitchen sink mod pack. Now, with being a heavy kitchen sink mod pack, and you being loading it up over and over, if you don't have a fast computer, it will take forever. Now, if you can, download a whole bunch of mods and then run it to see if it all works, and that is one way. But the problem is, if there does something go wrong, you don't know what mod's causing it exactly, unless it loads up and unloads and things, and then it shows an error. Then, like when you crash, then you'll be able to see which one it is, and if you remove them, and if it works the next time, voila, you found the bug. Now sometimes it doesn't do that, so then you have to take out and each do one at a time. It's a hassle. But we're gonna play Minecraft 1.10.2 Forge with all the mods, all the chicken bones mod, and we have JEI added into it to make an actual run. My computer's pretty quick. It should not take that very long. Voila! It is done. 16 mods loaded. Active out of quick mods. Core, not enough items. Yeah, inner storage, force micro blocks, JEI, and stuff like that. But we're gonna create a single player world. There's my let's player world. 1.2 elf. Don't want to enter that would fuck it all up. But we're gonna click ModPack testing. Now, when you do ModPack testing, if you do full testing, I would create a new world every time you go in. Now, if you're just seeing if the world will load up, then try to load up the world, and if it doesn't load up when you're loading up the same world, always create another one just to make sure it's just not erroring due to you loading up an old previous mod pack. You know what I mean? Okay, we're just gonna create a. Now this has no mods in it. This is just client-side mods we've added. I believe. Chicken Bones might have server-wide mods. I'm not 100% sure. We'll see when we get in. Now, client-side mods are mods that can be played on, let's say, a vanilla server, but you can have them because they're client-side. They only affect you. They do not affect anyone else. And, okay, the world's loaded up. So that's always a good thing. Holy cow, that's a lot of pumpkins. A lot of pumpkin. Oh, wow. Most luckiest spawn ever. I've only found one of these in a vanilla multiplayer with me and my friends. Non-recording, before I started recording, actually. And it was rated, and I'm so mad because I'm like, it took me forever to get here. Nice. Let's say if you wanted a 1.10.2 seed and spawn, there it is. Voila. Bam. Just curious if you wanted to. Now, as you notice, we opened it up. We had no problems except for right here. It says 2.18 of WRCBE is available. Now, the reason why it says this, we have a later version than this, but this is the recommended. But our version works, I think. Oh. What I do is I click options, JEI integrations, change that to NEI, and then change this to NEI. ModPack. Now it looks like, you know, how NEI does. Stone bowl. Now let's see if everything plays all good. Here drops, yeah. Okay, so the mod is loaded. Now, bugs, there might be bugs. I'm not doing bug testing. Where's my infinity? Normal if you click shift and it gives you an infinity. So weird. Right, now, so these are going to be, now, what is it called? Wireless Redstone, that's a server-wide mod, and Forge Microblocks, I believe, is a server-wide mod as well. But, yeah, besides, I'm pretty sure that's the only two server-wide mods there. Everything else should be, if I can think, client-side. Now, episode 2 will be adding server-side mods, or, well, there'll be a client-side, but, you know, the fun mods where you want, you know, like, let's say Minecraft Comes Alive or something like that, TNT mods. But this is basically how you install a mod pack and install some mods. Here you go. What next episode we'll install some good old mods like we'll really want. I'll try to make a list here in the next episode to see some mods we need. But I know one thing, after we get a whole bunch of mods, we'll be adding the HQM mod, and we will be showing you how to create tests. That will be a separate video though. It won't be mixed in with the creating a mod pack. It will be a little bit separate. Well, this is Game Rage signing off, and just leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy. Have a good day. Ooh, yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah.